Hello guys, in the last videos we have seen what exactly the requirement to declare main method as a static. These points we understood. Now in this video we are going to see another interview question on the basis of this main method, that is, what is the requirement to provide void as return type to the main method. What is the requirement to provide void as return type to the main method? Right, sir. Answer is very clear. First of all, we know what exactly the meaning of void return type. In general, for any method, what is the importance of return type now? Which data we are going to return from the method. To declare that, we are going to use which one? Return type. To specify which type of data we are going to return from the method, for that purpose we are going to use return type. For Java methods, all primitive data we can use as return types. All user defined data types like classes, abstract classes and arrays and interfaces, all we can use as return type. Along with all primitive data types and user defined data types, we are able to use void as is also a return type. What is the meaning of void return type for a particular method? For example, if a method is having return type is int, so integer value must be written from the respective method. If any method is having float is a return type, no, definitely that method must return float value. If any method returns return type is string, no, definitely that method has to return which one, some string value. Similarly, if we provide void as return type to the respective method, then what it has to return? That method must not return any value. That method must not return any value. To specify no data is written from the present method. To declare no data is going to be written from the present method. For this particular purpose, we have to use which one? Void return type. No. Then what exactly the purpose of this void return type? Actually, void is a return type to the respective method is to specify no data is going to be written from the respective method. This is what exactly the importance of which one? Void return type clearly now. If we use void as a return type to the method, even it is not required to use return statement also. No value is okay, different one, but not required to use return statement also. No. That's it. Now coming to our question here. What about our question here now? What is the requirement to provide void as a return type to the main method? Why void only? Why not integer? Why not float? Why not? Right, sir. For the purpose, I will give some clarity. Try to recognize this point exactly. Actually, in Java application development, there is a convention. What is that convention here now? We have to start application logic at a starting point of the main method, and we have to terminate application logic at the ending point of the main method. We have to start application logic from starting point of the main method, and we have to terminate application logic at the ending point of the main method. This is a point here. Okay, fine. We are going to write our coding part right from starting point of main method. At the end of the main method, we must terminate. Why this is a rule? Why this is a condition now? JVM will create main thread to start execution right from starting point of the main method. When the JVM created thread comes to the ending point of the main method, automatically that thread will come to dead state. When JVM wants to execute this main method, then JVM will create a thread. That thread is called as which one? Main thread. Main thread will start application execution right from starting point of the main method. The total part is going on, and finally when this main thread reaches to the ending point of the main method, automatically that thread will come to which one? Dead state. Whenever thread is in dead state, it is unable to continue its execution part here. So once this main thread is going to be in a dead state, whenever it comes to the ending point of the main method, so it is mandatory to terminate our application logic at the end of the main method. It is not going to be continued after this main method. So because of that reason, we have to terminate application logic at the end of the main method. If you want to terminate application logic at the end of the main method, we must not return any value from main method. If we want to terminate application logic at end of the main method, then we should not return any value from main method. If you return any value from main method, that application logic is not terminated with the main method. After this main method also, that application logic is going on somewhere else. But we have to terminate application logic at the end of the main method. If you want to terminate application logic at the end of the main method, we must not return any value from main method. If we don't want to return any value from main method, then we have to provide which one there? Void as a return type to the respective main method. If you don't want to return any value from the main method, where definitely we have to provide void as a return type to the respective main method. Because of this reason only, main method must be declared with which one can know? Void return type directly. It's okay. This is what exactly the reason here we are understanding clearly now. Next one is, after completion of this particular point, if I declare main method without void return type, then what will happen? If I declare main method without void return type, then what will happen? Then what exactly the answer for this particular question now? Now let us check this clearly. Public static void main string array args. This is our normal main method. In class test, I prepared public static void main string array args system.out.println of main method syntax checking. It's okay. Now here we can compile it and we are able to execute this. Here we are able to get some output directly. Java space test. Here we are getting there main method syntax checking. It's okay, fine. After completion of this particular point here, my point is which one? I don't want to use void as a return type. If you don't want to use void as a return type, then we have to provide some other thing as a return type now. Let's say for example, I want to provide which one? Int as a return type now. Int as a return type here I provided. Whenever we specified int as a return type now, definitely inside this main method we must return some value. 10 is the value here we return. Now let me compare and execute this. What is going on now? First of all, I want to use Java 6 version here. In Java 6 version I want to compile and execute this. Java C space test.java. Again here we are not getting compilation error. Even though void is not return type for the main method, in Java 6 version we are not having any compilation error. Again the same reason. Compiler will not give any priority for main method. Compiler will treat main method as a normal Java method. We can declare, we can provide integer is the return type to the normal Java methods. So compiler will not raise any error in the case of this Java 6 version. Now what about this execution part here now? When we provide Java space test on command prompt, which message here we are able to get now? Here we are able to get the message like which one here? Exception thread main java.lang. No such method error colon main. Java.lang. No such method error colon main. Java.lang. No such method error colon main. This we are getting directly now. So exception thread main java.lang. No such method error colon main. This type of output here, this type of exception here we are getting in the case of Java 6 version. It's okay. Then if we go for Java 7 version here, what is going on now? Right sir, if I go for Java 7 version, then what is going on? Java C space test.java. Right, compiled successfully. Java C space test.java compiled successfully. Java space test. Here we are going to get some output. Some exception message here we are getting there. Now just read this exception here. So in Java 7 version, right from public, right from static, and now without void. In all the cases we are getting that different exception messages in the case of Java 7 version. We are going to observe this clearly now. Right sir, in the case of Java space test here, what we are getting there? In the case of Java 7 version, error colon main method must return a value of type void in class test. Main method must return a value of type void in class test. Please define the main method as like which one there? Public static void main string array args. This message here we are getting there directly. If main method is not declared, if main method is not declared, with which one can know? Void return type can know. Right sir. Now if you observe the sequence of errors now, if main method is not public, then in the case of Java 6 version we got main method not public message. In the case of Java 7 version, we are getting an error message like error colon main method not found in class test. Please define the main method as public static void main string array args. Next question. If main method is not static, in the case of Java 6 version, we are getting an exception message like which one here? Java.lang. No such method error colon main, that we are getting in Java 6 version. But in the case of Java 7 version, we are getting a message like which one here? Error colon main method is not static in class test. Please define the main method as public static void main string array args. Now coming to the void return type. If we declare main method without this void return type, now in the case of Java 6 version, we are getting a message like which one? Java.lang.no such method error colon main, that we are getting. But in the case of Java 7 version and above versions there, here we are getting a separate error message like which one? Error colon main method must return a value of type void. Please declare the main method as a public static void main string array args. This type of awareness care, this type of point care we are getting directly if the main method is not having void as a return type care. This is a point care we have to understand clearly now. It's okay, sir. This is what exactly the reason why void is a return type to the respective method. That's okay, fine. After completion of this particular method care, then I have one more question. What about this question actually? What about my question here? Why the name for this main method is main only? Okay, main method must record public, we understood. Static, we understood. Now return type also be here, we understood here. That's fine. But why this method is having the name main? Why not it is any other method? Why not it is any other name like mandatory or compulsory or something else? Why not it is not having there? Why this method is having only the name is main? Why Java creators have given this type of name to this particular method? Exactly. Answer for this particular question is which one? To reflect its importance in outside, to reflect its functionality, its exact functionality to outside, Java creators have given a particular name to this method, and Java creators have given an option to all the developers to follow the same kind of naming convention as per our Java application. Then finally Java creators have given a name for this particular method is which method here? No, main method. Why the name the main here? The name main is reflecting some importance in outside. Throughout our Java application, this method name is main, means that it is a mandatory method, it is an important method. This method must be required by JVM to execute our program. So to give such type of meaning in outside, they have given the exact name for this particular method is which one? Main. So that's why because of this reason only, here we are having name of the method is which one? Main method directly. Otherwise we are not having any particular importance clearly. So finally, two things here we covered in this particular one. Void is return type to the respective method, and next one is which one? Why the name of this particular method is main method here we are getting there. These many reasons here we are going to understand clearly about this particular question.